May we see the job we do here.
Okay.
We finish that side. Okay, where we finish, me point. Okay, turn like this. Like this. Wow. Okay, the design, what do they call this design we do here?
This is double board design.
Okay, double board design.
Yes.
Okay. And they see something with a tie on there.
That one is tie back rope.
Okay, call them again.
Tie back rope.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Let's see. So come this side, madam. Yes. See this side. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is 16th of January 2025. For today, day for location on a day. I can monitor installation of interior curtain. We want of our viewer from the talk show give Mrs. Ifoma make it do for an account monitor for today. In front of me, Nadi Madam, we do this job, Mrs. Ifoma. Good afternoon, Madam.
Good afternoon, sir.
Me make interviews with my name na Osabunye wa day na the interior installation interior curtain one of our viewer give you na come monitor for today. You will take me the rendezvous whether you don't finish or you see day on it. Before you take me the rendezvous, madam, wait till we let our viewer only patronize the streets of our channel, particularly the one we give you this interior curtain.
I want to say thank you to my client. She's a very nice person. At least I have no issue with her. She loved the curtain. Everything is fine with her. You understand? It's exactly what she told me to do. That is what I do for her. Good. Exactly the same fabric she needs. That is what I use. Exactly the same color. And she's very fine. She's very fine with my job. And I say thank you very much, my client. Okay. So this is a job given to me by a client from the platform, and this is just about 3 windows and 2 doors here, the sitting room. Okay. So she actually chose this design for herself. I thank God everything came out fine as she wants it. So this is a board curtain that we just did. We just finished installing it. One good thing about us is that we sell the fabric, we sew the fabric, we come to install the fabric. That is, we'll take it to your site and store it. We do everything, all the total package at once. That is all we do. Yeah.
So if you're going to visit our website, the link on top of this video before you give any of our clients work, as a call our number D on top of this video. So over to you, Mrs. Ifoma. May we see the job we do here.
Okay.
We finish that side. Okay, where we finish, me point. Okay, turn like this. Like this. Wow. Okay, the design, what do they call this design we do here?
This is double board design.
Okay, double board design.
Yes.
Okay. And they see something with a tie on there.
That one is tie back rope.
Okay, call them again.
Tie back rope.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Let's see. So come this side, madam. Yes. See this side. So my people, this is Ifoma don't take me around way for do work here, and it don't through with the work. So madam, how many days taking me to do this work for here? This interior installation of this curtain.
This particular job took me 4 days.
Okay,
yes,
4 days.
4 days.
Okay, like how much cost do you know with the do for?
Okay, like this particular fabric and this particular design to cost 115,000 for one window.
Okay, one window.
Yes, 115,000. No, the door is into two. That is, let me assume the two door was given the same price.
Okay, the same.
Because it's just a drop of curtain, just one curtain. It's not two curtains.
Okay.
But each window has two curtains and some inner. That is for this particular one.
Okay, like this double now.
Yes.
Yes, a two window now. How much is this?
Let me say this one now is like 230,000.
Okay, 230,000.
Yes.
Okay. So, what of I don't see some cutting. It's like this very one. So, and a rich ground. So, not the rich ground. Now the same amount. Still the one.
One thing about cutting has to do with the measurement and the height of the place. Okay. Again, the quality of the fabric you are using. In terms of reaching ground, maybe the person did not go to take the measurement from the offset. So he just assumed the measurement. So when you get to the place, you see that is either jumping. Because you did not from the origin before you start working on it, you have to take measurement. But because maybe the person did not take measurement, he got to jump. You understand? Okay. Sometimes some houses are so high that based on your calculation, maybe along the line, you see that the thing is not up to the length of the house. So most of the time, one thing about cutting is that cutting doesn't really have a specific price. You know why?
You don't have a specific amount.
Yes, it doesn't have a specific amount because there are different qualities of cutting in the market. They will look alike, but the text of time will tell you the kind of cutting you use in your house. Okay. Like some cutting, even without washing, you see them bringing hair as time goes by. So sometimes you like this cutting I'm calling 100 and something. If I use a lesser fabric, I can do it like maybe less than 100,000 or 100,000. You understand? So there are different qualities of cuttings. So that is why when you say a window is this price and the other person is saying a window is this price, it will be like your own is too expensive. It's not like that. It has to do with the fabric where the person use. Even there are some other fabric that are even see higher than this one. Okay. You understand? But it's left for the person. Maybe as you see this video now, you say I want exactly this cutting. Then I am going specifically with this same price I use in doing this job. You understand? But if I give you my price, then you say the price is high or my price is too high, then I will tend to use a lesser fabric to get to the level at what you want. So that is why most of the time I always say cutting has no specific price, because the price of cuttings is determined by the quantity, the quality, and the way you are sewing it. If it's ordinary cutting, maybe without board, it will be cheaper than this. Okay. You understand? But this one is ringed. Like some, they will do board without ring. This one is already ringed before the board, so that it can easily be shifted. Like this one, you can easily shift it to any direction you want. But if assuming there's no ring on this cutting, if you are dragging it, it will not be easy to move. Like it will be moving with difficulty, because that ring is not on it, and that ring is also contributing to the price of the cutting. So most of the time, I always say cutting does not have a specific price, but this is the specific price of this one. A window here is 115,000.
Okay, 150,000 because of the quality.
Yes, the quality. Yeah.
Okay. So you go call your phone number when our view of the ratio.
My phone number, my WhatsApp numbers are 08065609340. Then the glow line 08057629635.
My people, I greet you for the time I wanted to watch this video.